Hey everyone, welcome to another channel of Enjoy Tech. You are listening to J-Lo, Josh, my name. Today we are unboxing NTH100 Road. As my previous video for the podcaster, I got this from PB Tech during the Road promo. So I guess this is free. So, yeah. All right. Yep, you can see the PB Tech thing. Oh, all right. It's been sitting a while there. I wasn't able to do anything about it. Yeah, but that's all good. Cool. Let's see. All right. Cool. Oh, it's not the easiest to unbox, and it's good thing. Oh, there. I didn't cut the tape thingy, so that probably explains why it's not coming off. Let's see if this is made in Australia. Oh, good on you, mate. It's designed and made in Australia, mate. Good on ya, mate. Good on ya. I'm so sorry, Australians. I'm not trying to be racist, but yeah, I'm just For Malaysia, we says okay lah, everything is lah. Cool packaging. I don't even know where to open, so it's like this. Wow, cool packaging. Boop, boop, boop. Nice. Wow, I even have the bag. Dang. Oh, feels so premium. This is nice and soft. Nice and soft plush. Almost like a suede feeling. And really premium metal bands. Okay. Wow, unlock. Okay. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Cool. Great design and quality. Wow. Road. I didn't even know they're so nice. And the nylon bag. Wow. Okay. That's amazing. That's great. Alright, put this one back. Let's see what's in the box. Do I take this box out? No, I don't have to. Okay. Right, so this is the jack to jack. There's no microphone, it's just pure audio only. And it comes with the, is it called a quarter milli, whatever? Anyhow. And that's it, you get this connector. I think this is just a band to clip it on, but yeah. Wow, it's amazing quality. Wow. Alright, love your NTH. Shared with us #RoadMic. I will, my friend. So that's it for tonight. It's a really short one, but I shall try it tomorrow. I'll be doing not podcast with my friend, but just we'll test some things out before he set up his studio. So this is pretty cool. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you. All right. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and support this channel. I'm new to this, but I like to show people about just any regular people using tech stuff, so I don't do benchmark or anything so fancy pantsy. But yeah. All right, have a great evening, morning, night, day, weekend.